In summary, when solving absolute value equations, remember that absolute value bar means distance from zero on the number line. So for what values of c will an absolute value equation of the form absolute value of ax plus b equals c have each of these types of solutions? So it's basically saying what would be on the other side of this single absolute value equation to ensure that there is exactly one solution. And we saw that happen when the other side of the absolute value was 0. So if c equals 0, then the absolute value of ax plus b equals 0 will have only one solution, and that is where ax plus b equals 0. Solve for x. For the absolute value equation to have no solution, remember that happens when you have an absolute value equal to a negative number. So if c is a negative number, it's less than 0, then the absolute value of ax plus b will equal some negative number, in which case we know there's absolutely no solution to that equation because it's just not possible to have a distance of a negative number. And we found that there were two solutions when the other side of the absolute value was a positive number, so something greater than 0. So the absolute value of ax plus b equals a positive number, like 2 or 1 or 6. Then we would set up the two equations. Ax plus b equals the positive number, and ax plus b equals the negative number, because that means that that is the distance from 0 on the right side of 0 and the left side of 0. So two answers for that equation. If we have double absolute values in the equation, then we set what's in the first absolute value equal to what's in the second absolute value. Nothing changes. We just get rid of the absolute value bars. And we also set what's in the first absolute value equal to the negative of what's in the second absolute value and solve those equations.